pure and omnipotent God, O thou my kind Lord, grant me such power as to enable me to withstand the onslaught of the peoples and kindreds of the world, and give me such might as to cause the waves of my endeavors, like unto the Pacific Ocean, to reach the shore of both east and west, to reach the shore of both east and west. O thou pure and omnipotent God, O thou my kind Lord, grant me such power as to enable me to withstand the onslaught of the peoples and kindreds of the world, and give me such might as to cause the waves of my endeavor, like unto the Pacific Ocean, to reach the shore of